I tried Breez wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Breez wallet app, I expected a basic Bitcoin wallet. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Breez is quietly changing how people use Bitcoin, turning it into something fast, private, and truly usable for everyday life. On day 1, setup was instant. No complicated seed phrases, no long forms. Breez uses a Lightning-based approach that makes onboarding painless. It's like downloading a Cash app, but for Bitcoin. By day 2, I made my first Lightning transaction. It was almost instant, funds sent and received in seconds with minimal fees. Most people think Bitcoin is slow and expensive, but Breez proves otherwise. Lightning payments make it feel like digital cash. Midweek, I tested its podcasting and point-of-sale features. Yes, you can actually stream Bitcoin to podcasters as you listen, or use Breez as a payment terminal for small businesses. That's when it hit me: this isn't just a wallet. It's a full Lightning ecosystem in your pocket. By day 5, I noticed how user-friendly it was. Every transaction was transparent, receipts were clear, and the interface guided me through each step. It also runs non-custodially, meaning I always had full control of my funds. By the end of 7 days, the shocking truth was undeniable. Breez isn't trying to compete with exchanges or trading apps. It's here to make Bitcoin truly usable, simple, fast, and human. It bridges the gap between hardcore crypto users and everyday people who just want payments that work. If you've ever wanted to experience Bitcoin the way it was meant to be, decentralized, instant, and practical, Breez is a wallet to try. It's not hype. It's real Bitcoin, finally working in real life.